For the standard normal distribution, which means mean 0, standard deviation 1, sketch the region corresponding to the statement probability that z is between negative 2.2 and 1.7. So just a warning here, in this problem, everything has to be rounded to one decimal because we can only move these arrows in increments of one decimal place. So this one's pretty easy. We're just going to click between two values and we pick negative 2.2 and we move this one to 1.7. Submit, and there you go. For the next part, sketch the region corresponding to the statement that the probability that z is between negative c and c is 0.6. So in order to do that, I'm going to take you to some scrap paper here. So here's my scrap paper. This is the mean. This is negative c, and this is c. And I want this area here to be 0.6, which means this area is 0.3, and this area is 0.3. So the total area to the left of the positive value c is 0.8. So the area of that highlighted region is 0.8. So if I go to my online normal probability calculator and I enter mean 0, standard deviation 1, 0.8, and I click less than up here and compute calculate, I'll get my z-score is 0.84. Now I need to round to one decimal, so that would be 0.8. So on my picture, let's go back to the problem. I'm going to sketch between two values, and I'm going to want positive 0.8 here. Whoops, positive 0.8. And over here, I want negative 0.8. Submit, and there you go. Now let's look at a slightly different version of that same type of problem. Sketch the region corresponding to the statement probability that z is greater than c is 0.25. So this is pretty straightforward. Let's just go over to our calculator here, switch this to a 0.25, take this out, and we want probability that z is greater than c. So I'm going to click the greater than, and I hit calculate, and I get 0.674. So if we round to one decimal, that's 0.7. And so now I'm going to drag this. Whoops, we have to switch this to shade the area to the right, and I'll switch this to 0.7, and that should do it. Okay, I hope that was helpful.